Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do your tax return. First, gather all your essential financial documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers, any 1099 forms for other income, and statements from banks or investment accounts. Don't forget to collect receipts for potential deductions, like medical bills, student loan interest, or charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront will save you significant time and reduce stress during the filing process. Next, accurately report all your income sources. This includes wages, self-employment earnings, and any investment income. Then, focus on identifying eligible deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. For example, a $500 credit saves you $500 in taxes. Carefully consider whether to take the standard deduction or itemize, as one option will likely save you more money. Now it's time to choose your filing method. You can e-file directly, use tax preparation software, or hire a professional. Each option has its benefits, depending on your comfort level and the complexity of your return. Before submitting, meticulously review every single entry for accuracy. Even a small mistake, like an incorrect Social Security number or a misplaced decimal point, can cause delays or issues. Ensure your bank account details are correct for a smooth refund or payment. Finally, let's discuss avoiding common mistakes and what happens next. Many errors stem from incorrect Social Security numbers, math errors, or forgetting to report all income. Always keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years, or even longer for certain records. After submission, understand your payment options if you owe, or when to expect your refund if you're due one. Being prepared ensures a smooth and successful tax season.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.